Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So this is going to be today's filming situation. This is probably how I'll film for a little bit until I get the studio all set. The series will probably come when my next YouTube paycheck comes in. Anyways, here we have a Gulf Coast Trinidad fan. Got this ceiling fan at Dance Fan City. This was in the Dance Fan City video, as you guys may remember if you guys watched a decent chunk of it. I got this fan for $59. It was like $64.70 and change with the tax and everything. But yeah, here it is. Excuse the low hanging rig here. It's only temporary. Well, until I get the studio done. But yeah, here it is. I also got this light kit. This is a discontinued light kit, brand new in the box right here. Didn't come with a box, it was open box, and then these shades. Yeah, this one has paint on it, but the other ones are set. Paint will come off, it's an easy fix. But yeah, outdoor fan. Could get multiple sets of blades, like blade choices. You have multiple options. This is the one that this one came with, but yeah, anyways, we will go to low. This low. This fan is indoor and outdoor rated with a 188mm motor in it, and these fans came in a few different finishes. I'm not sure of every single one of them. I know this one came in white, and I think there's also one that is in like kind of like a weathered outdoor brushed nickel finish. Not really good with my Gulf Coasts because this is my second one. Anyways, we will go to medium. For a modern day fan, Gulf Coast and Tropos Air are recommended by me because they have big motors. They have, it's between, I think, 172 and 188. But overall, good products, good fans. Nothing that you'll see in like a Lowe's or Home Depot fan. Because this is like an average high speed on most fans. But this is only medium. Go with high. Here's high speed. This fan is cooling the whole room off. Like, I'm in the corner of the room over here, and yeah, it's blowing an amazing amount of air because Gulf Coast and Tropos Air fans, they're meant to blow air like pretty much every other fan, but you know, with these newer ones, you don't get something as good as this because you have steep blade pitch, you have upped capacitors, and you have large motors. It all combines into this. A quality built fan to provide you with comfort and air. You can get different sets of blades, so you can get like skinnier blades, or you can get the palm blades, which this one has. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.